Hi everyone, Matt here with FMF Glass Hardware. Today I'm going to be going through the step-by-step process of installing our new double bypass sliding shower kit. Let's start off by going through all the parts included in our SSK series sliding kit. So we've got a 78-inch bar included in the kit. We've got 8 roller wheels for your 2 doors, 2 wall mounts brackets for your bar. You got a floor guider for your double sliding door. And we've got all the necessary tools needed to tighten the rollers on the door. For step 1, you're going to want to measure your total opening, and you're going to cut your bar 1/2 inch shorter than your total width opening. This allows for room for the bar mounts to slide into the bar and get mounted into the wall. An important detail to pay attention to when cutting your bar is to ensure that there is no horizontal metal bar connectors within 2.5 inches of either end of your bar. If the horizontal bar connector is too close to the edge of your bar, you will have some difficulty putting on your door stoppers and wall mounts onto the bar. After your bar is cut, line up both sides of the bar onto the wall and make sure it is 100% level on all angles. Once you have ensured everything is perfectly level, you can go ahead and mark the holes needed on the wall to mount your bar. The next step, after drilling your holes in the wall, is to secure your bar mounts onto the wall. When your bar mounts have been secured, you want to make sure to first slide in your stoppers onto both ends of the bar, just like this, and just like that. And then you want to remove the top cover from your mounts, and you can very easily just slide the bar right into the mount. Once your bar is securely into the mounts, you can go ahead and take the top metal plate cover and slide it right back on top, fastening the Allen keys to secure your bar in place. After your bar has been successfully mounted on the wall, you can go ahead and line up your first door with the bar. Be sure to keep a 3/8 inch gap underneath your door to allow room for movement. After you've tightened your top rollers on the door, you can go ahead and also tighten the bottom rollers as well to avoid the door coming off the bar. Repeat this step for your second door as well. Once both of your doors have been successfully mounted on the bar, you then can take the bottom floor guide, line it up to the position you want, drill the holes, and mount it in there. At this point, both of your doors should be mounted on the bar. Now you may be wondering, do I have any room for adjustments? I'm glad to say that our SSK06 kit has plenty of adjustability options. After both doors have been mounted, use the small Allen key screws on the bar mounts to make any slight adjustments to the height, level, or positioning of the bar. On top of that, make sure to finalize any adjustments with the door stoppers that you'd want to make. Keep in mind, if you do need adjustability for height, these rollers do have slight adjustability that you can twist and adjust as you go. And you tighten it at the exact position that you want. Thank you all for watching. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to help.